Hello everyone, welcome to Shotcut video tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we add a fade in video and a fade out video to a black screen effect. So this is actually a very popular effect in which your video clip can fade in from a blank screen to show up your video, or you can video once completed it can fade out to a blank screen or a black screen. So how do we achieve this? This is exactly what we're going to see in today's video. First of all, select the video clip that you want to apply this effect to. So I have this video of a tractor plowing a field that I want to apply this effect. Once you are finalized with your video, then just click on this plus icon once to bring it onto the timeline. Once it is on the timeline, go to the filters pane. In my case, this pane is already open, so you will see something like this once it has been opened in yours. Click on the plus icon. Here you have to search for an effect that says fade in. Now choose an effect that says fade in video and it will automatically be applied to your video. Now the adjustments that we can do is the duration through which this effect would be applied and its appearance. So first of all, let's see how the default appearance looks. Just click on the play button. So this is how it is looking. Its duration I felt was a little too fast, so I'm going to increase it. It says 1 second as the default duration. I'm going to increase it to 4 seconds. So let us just go to the very first frame again and play the video to see how it is looking now. So it is looking okay, but it is a little bit too slow. So let's just choose a middle value. Let's say 2 seconds. So here you can just select the ideal duration for your video. If you just play again. So now this is looking good to me and I'm happy with this effect. So this is the fade in video effect. It is fading in from a blank screen. If you go to the very first frame, it is a blank screen or a black screen from where it is fading. In case you don't want, you have this option, adjust opacity instead of fade with black. So if you just click on this, what happens is your video is actually adjusting its opacity slowly to 100%. It is not very evident from this case because we do not have anything lying under. But if any other video was lying under, then we would be able to see the difference easily. So let's just go with the blank screen video effect so that we can easily see the difference like this. Similarly, once your video clip has ended, then you want to apply the fade out video effect. So again, click on this plus icon in the filters and just select for fade out. So this will bring up the fade out video. Let us increase its duration to 2 seconds from here only in the first go. And then let us just play the video. So that's how our video is playing. Slowly it is fading out to a blank screen. Now what happens if you don't want to fade it to a blank screen but to another video? So what we can do is we can just right click over here, track operations, and add video track. Now this video track we want to add towards the bottom. So now here we have added another video track at the just bottom of our original video track, and here we have added another video. Now what happens is if we just play our video from the very first frame, the normal settings looks like this, that there is a blank screen from where the video is fading. But what if we select this opacity thing, adjust opacity instead of fade with black, and go to the very first frame and then play the video? So what happens right now is the opacity of our original video on which the effect is applied is 0% and the below lying video is showing to us. Slowly it transcends into our original video, changing its opacity to 100%. Then it soon plays out fully. Then as soon as our fade out effect comes, it again fades out to our video like this. But it fades out to a blank screen, and that is because we have not checked the mark over here. So let us check mark it here, go back a few frames and again play it. So now it is slowly fading out into the galaxy. So that's how you add a fade in and fade out video effect. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.